Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-350 STX. This one has the 6.7 liter Powerstroke, turbo diesel. It honestly is one cool truck. I believe this is the 6-foot bed. Oh yeah. Fifth wheel prepared. Yep. 142-inch wide bed style side, 6.7 Powerstroke V8, 10-speed automatic, STX appearance pack. Total options on this one are $15,650, with the Powerstroke taking up $10,495 of that. So it's not like this one's fully loaded. The Powerstroke is just an expensive option. Total price of $55,890. So if you need a work truck that can tow better than almost anything out there, this is it. Especially, you know, if I could see this for campers. Wow, it must be humid out because that AC condenser is going crazy. I could see this for fifth wheel campers, for fifth wheel horse trailers, landscaping companies. Definitely, I could see a use for this. So this is an honest to goodness, capable truck. Don't need anything more than this. Everything above this is luxury. This is just an honest-to-goodness work truck for somebody who needs to tow a rural school district. Still have a touch screen, so I mean, you're still pretty heavily optioned. So it's not like you're going without. You even have... Come on, aux switches built in. Love the sound of diesels. I mean, I've done... People ask me all the time, oh, do you only focus on certain cars? No, today I've done everything. I've driven every kind of car. I've driven a normal Ford Edge, I've driven the Mach-E, I've driven the Bronco, I've driven this. Today is just everything. Do also have an exhaust brake. I guess that's auto. You know what I could also see a use for this? Modding it into a drag truck. Oh, that's a good option. That's an option. Has enough torque to do it. It is a little bouncy. It's a little bouncy. I expect that with heavy duty trucks like this though. Suspension's designed to have weight in the back of it, so when it's unloaded like this, it can be a little bouncy over this rough terrain, which you'll find over this rough road section. It's not awful, just not the most comfortable thing out there. But if you're buying a truck like this, you go into it expecting that. Honestly, the Lariat, you know, some of the higher trim level Super Duties, they do ride just a little bit better. The more weight it has, the better they ride. So just keep it loaded all the time. You know, just put bags of cement back there and you're fine. So once there's a little bit of weight, there's a little bit more give to it. I love diesels at idle. Oh, they're such a nice sound. Blub, 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 blub. For all the diesels, Powerstroke might sound the best. Here we go. Whew. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.